Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluwatosin. Today's video I'll be showing you how to make a short bubu dress as seen on the thumbnail. So let's get started, let's get right into it. But before then, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. The fabric I'm using here is less than 2 yards, but it is more than 1.5 yards. So here I folded my fabric into 4. As you have seen, I folded it into 4 equal parts. The first measurement I'm marking here is my shoulder measurement, which is 8 inches. My shoulder measurement is actually 16 inches divided by 2 makes 8 inches. Then from the point of my shoulder measurement, I marked my sleeve length. I'm using 12 inches in this case. From there, I went down by 1 inch for the shoulder slope, then I connected it together. From my shoulder slope, I went down by 11 inches. This is for my sleeve width. I'm using 11 inches and I added 1 inch to it. It is actually 10 inches that I want to use, but I added 1 more inch, making 11 inch for sewing allowance. So from there, from that point, that is where I will mark my bust measurement. So here my bust measurement divided by 4. Then I added 2 extra inches to it. So let's assume that my bust measurement is 38 divided by 4. Then I added 2 extra inches to what I got. In this case, I'm using 11. 9 inches plus 2 extra inches. That makes it 11. The measurement I have on the bust measurement is what I also took down. So I used 11 inches all through. Now, these 2 extra inches that I use really depends on you. You can make it bigger. You can make your own bubu top bigger. I just prefer it to be like this. So instead of 2 inches, you can add 3 inches. You can add 4 inches, depending on how big you want your bubu top to be. For the neck width, here I used 3.5 inches by 1.5 inches for the back piece. Then for the front piece, I used 3.5 inches for the neck width and 4 inches for the neck depth. I picked out the front piece, then I divided the neckline into two. I used 3 inches extra to divide it to give it that front slit. Then I went ahead to cut out the facing that I will use to turn the front piece. The bubu top is almost ready here. I fixed the interfacing for the front, then I used the same Ankara fabric to fix the back piece too. So here what I want to do is I measured the round sleeve, what I have there, then I'll cut out an extra material that I'll use to turn it